Do this little move right here, a circle spot, circular little rotations. And then when it gets real juicy and away, go that motherfucker will kick you in the face. That shit feels so good. Well, I got kicked in the face. Like, my nose broke. Yeah. She squirted so goddamn hard, yoga, that shit got in my mouth. It tasted like a little bit like lemonade.
Yeah. You are Bati boy.
That shit came out like a broken water girl. The bees. Birds and the bees, right? Putting in. Kuista ka, yogi. Me? Kuista ka. I'm a dirty kuista ka.
Dirty son of a bitch.
That's what I. Yeah, thanks to all the whores in my neighborhood that taught me these things. A lot of whores in my life. Yo, a lot of whores. I was practically raised by whores.
Did you check your account today?
Yeah, I did. Still nothing. I bet you anything Tuesday. I bet you Tuesday I'll probably get it back because I think Tuesday was the day I had got it banned. I think it was a Tuesday. I forgot what day it was.